This is a 20-inch low profile ceiling fan, 2700 to 6500K, colored temperature, 6 wind speeds, and it says it's quiet. So we definitely going to check that. And we will get into the install and all of that fun stuff. So let's go ahead, unbox. First thing comes out is the user manual. You have your remote. You can download an app with this. Did I forget to mention that this is very light? And here you go, ladies and gentlemen. You have your hardware right here. And to take your hardware off, you have to unscrew it. All right, you guys, and we are done. Okay. Oh, well, all I had to do was just loosen it and turn. I wasn't even paying that no attention. Loosen and turn. So that was my stupidity. All right, so you have your mounting bracket here. You have your screws here. All of your wires here. Before we get into this, if you're not into electrical work, don't attempt to do this on your own, okay? Call a professional. Call an electrician, so that way you make sure you don't unalive yourself. Make sure you turn off your power at your circuit breaker. If you can't find the location of where your circuit breaker is, you can turn them all off, and that will be it. Safety first. Now, if you want to use washers, they put washers in here as well. That's my first time seeing that, but I'm just going to put it up here the best we can. All right. Righty tighty. Looking good. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Now let's get the fan. I hooked it up, and that way you can hang this and put these on at the same time. So you hook it like that, and then you can hang those and then put in your wiring. All right, you guys, same method. Match your colors. So we're going to have our neutral wire with our neutral wire. Push in, clip down. Live wire, black, push down. All right. Copper wire or ground wire with our ground wire. Push in, push down. And that's it. Line it up with the space of your screw. And now twist, flush, twist. Now we get a screwdriver, screw it up, and we're done. Nice and easy, you guys. So we are up there, we're secure. I'm going to turn the circuit breaker back on. Oh yeah, and before you do this, well, it's kind of too late now, but make sure you put something down just in case something falls and you do not want to replace your tub or whatever's fragile. So let me go ahead and turn the electricity on. Turn on the switch, and here we go. Wow. I mean, it's not even nighttime, and it brightens up this whole bathroom right here. Now, this bathroom is a 10 by 10. All right, so right here, we're going on this K right here, and it says CCT change. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. So if you want it, whatever temperature you want. This is nice, you guys. I'm having fun with this fan. I'm not gonna lie. Well, I would like one in the bedroom now. Okay, so anyways, you got your brightness. So let's lower the brightness. Let's say you want to take a shower and you only want this light on. Take a bath with only this light. Very nice. I'm gonna put it back on level 1. All right, it flips back on level 1. You guys, everything works very well on this. All right, so you have Wi-Fi set up. We're not going to get into that right now. You can set your time. It says 2 hours. So there's a 2-hour timer on here. which is nice. Okay, you got forward and reverse. So you put it on reverse when it's winter time. So you're about to see a stop, and now it's going on reverse. All right, so these three right here, it says natural wind. So we just clicked it on natural wind. Let me see if I feel anything different. Still feels the same to me. You could change your light temperature right here. Okay. All right. Then another cool one on here is night light. So if you want this on during the night, just hit your night light button right here. Night light. All right. So that's the difference between the night light and the regular light. Regular light is very, very, very bright. So yeah. All right. And that's about it. We went over all the features on here already. So everything works just fine. And that will be all, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.